Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to embed a YouTube video in Base44. Now all you need to do is just launch up the project or app that you want to embed the video to. Come here to the prompt section and just type in embed a YouTube video, okay, on the top of the home page. Add a colon and just paste in the link to that video. Make sure that video has embedding settings enabled. Now, as you can see right here, the reason I'm saying at the top of the homepage, because if you don't specify, Base44 would probably do its own thing. That is an experience I have faced. So just come here and enter this prompt, and let's give it a few seconds while it embeds this video for us. All right, here you go. This has been done and the preview will basically refresh on its own. And here you go. We have successfully embedded a YouTube video in Base44.